2016 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, fog lights, leather seats, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm, engine immobilizer, tinted glass, smart device integration. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.